So it's still registered as Louis Industrial Garage, but moving to LIG, which is Louis Industrial Group, right? Where we're going to be expanding business even more for automotive, heavy duty, and industrial parts, right? So even your agriculture sector we service, your marine sector we service, not just trucks. It's not just me and you. It's everybody who has anything to do with transport, we provide parts and materials for.
When we're looking at warehouse inventory, we look at certain characteristics that the inventory has. So each inventory item has what you call intrinsic characteristics and extrinsic characteristics. So the intrinsic characteristics are things like the dimensions of the product, the weight of the product.
Hey, my name is Michael Wallace. I'm an automotive instructor at the German Automotive School, Jagas in Kingston. And I'm here at LIG, which is Louis Industrial Garage.
Typically shims or torque arms. If you have 4-spring suspension, you can adjust it with the torque arms. If you have the type that don't have torque arms, like the Hendrickson and the Mack, okay, then there's other ways you can do it. Mack has offset insulators, and we're going to talk about Mack in a minute. And the Hendrickson, you've got the shims.
This workshop was very helpful to me, as me myself, I'm very interested in trucks. And this was a topic that I didn't really know about, and this helped me to learn a lot more about truck suspension systems.
In addition to that, it widens my knowledge about suspension components to better aid the customers coming at LIG.
There are many different types of suspension system, and there's a whole huge market out there as it relates to suspension.
Hi, my name is Juan Aguilar. I'm a technical sales engineer for PAI Industries. PAI is a company that manufactures engine parts for American trucks. And today we're going to talk about engine building. Specifically, we're going to do a training where our students can learn the best practices so they can have success when they build an engine. After the engine's been running for a while and you turn it off and you turn it on again, there's going to be some residual oil.
I don't say water. I say what? Coolant. 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 Why coolant? Why not water?
Water eat away the comfort.
Yes. Yes.
It's magnesium phosphate, no?
Yeah. And what it is, it helps protect the liner from rust, and it also helps with that initial lubrication.
Mechanics in training across Jamaica, it's your time to prove that you're the master and win big in cash and prizes. The LIG Mechanics in Motion workshops are over. Since the start of May, aspiring young professionals, automotive lovers, mechanics in training, Jagas and Hart students benefited from educational workshops rooted in trucks, auto maintenance, and auto mechanics from LIG and our key sponsors: Automotive Art, Delcor Logistics, Thompson's Trucking, PAI, Dayton Parts, and Valvoline. Now it's the time for our LIG Master Mechanics competition. 6 teams of 4 will go head-to-head in a series of theoretical and practical challenges for the chance to win a grand prize of $350,000 in cash and prizes. And of course, earn the title of the 2025 LIG Master Mechanic. Do you have what it takes? Sign up now by visiting our website at www.louisindustrial.com/mechanics in motion. Submissions close off June 3rd. Sign up today.